In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add equations in Canva. If you've ever needed clean, readable math in your designs, whether it's for a presentation, a handout, or a social post, this is a quick and reliable way to do it without leaving your Canva workspace. Start by opening the project where you want the equation to appear. Once your design is on the screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. In the search bar that appears, type Equations, then select the Equations app from the results. This opens a simple interface with a small text box where you'll enter your math. Type your equation directly into that box. Think of this box as your drafting space. Before you insert anything into your design, make sure you've fully completed the expression. Include all variables, numbers, operators, and any special symbols you need. If your equation has multiple parts, like a formula followed by a substituted version with actual values, finish writing each part here first so the entire expression is inserted in one go. This helps you avoid breaking your equation into separate elements and keeps everything aligned and consistent. If your math is more than just straightforward addition or multiplication, switch over to the Advanced tab. This tab is built for more complex expressions and gives you the flexibility to handle things like exponents, roots, fractions, and other structured components. It's especially helpful when you want the final result to be both accurate and neatly formatted, so don't hesitate to use it when your equation is getting detailed. As you type, keep an eye on spacing and parentheses, since they can change the meaning of an expression. A quick mental check of order of operations can save you time later. If you're working from a formula, it can also help to write out the general form first, then the version with actual values underneath it, still within the same box, so everything remains grouped together when you insert. When you're confident that your variables, equations, and values are all complete and look the way you want, click Insert Equation. Canva will place the formatted equation into your project exactly as you prepared it in the app. And that's it. Your equation is now part of your design. If you found this helpful, keep exploring the Equations app whenever you need clear, professional math inside Canva. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!